Hey guys, this is Talib Abbasi back to another video. Today we are talking about how I made $70 from logo design. So guys, before proceeding to the video, if you want to see more videos how to make money online and how to become a successful freelancer, so subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So guys, this is a $25 order. Let's see what is the client requirement. I want to discuss more detail about the project. Okay, so start the design process by mind mapping. I take the words associated with the logo. So these are the combination of the words that I extracted from the mind mapping and the word association. Before I dive into the sketching phase, I make a search for some reference images. I try to look at some photos related to the project and some logos of a similar subject. Okay guys, so let's start sketching phase. Considering the chosen characteristics, I start drawing any idea come to my mind. I don't have to be artist to make it, just rough sketches. Okay, this is my final sketch after cleaning it on paper. So start making it.
Minutes later.
Finally, it's ready now. It's time to send it to the client. Okay, now let's see the second order. I start my design process, and to make this, I will repeat the first process.
Okay, let's see what is its requirement. My channel name is Cloud Games. Whatever you feel like creating out of that information, go for it, lol. I should ask her few questions because it's not enough information. Now I will sketching the logo on paper. Okay, this is my final sketches after cleaning it on paper, so start making it. Finally, it's ready now. I deliver it to the client. Okay, now let's see the third order. So guys, this is a $10 order. Now let's see what is its requirement. Here is the link to my YouTube channel named Free State of Mind Meditation Slogan Restore Your Balance. I would like the logo include an image of the goddess Maat, who is the goddess of balance, with the slogan incorporated into the design as well. I wanted the logo to be cold as well as the lettering if possible. I will attach a photo from a channel called Billionaire Mind Hacks and their golden logo. Hopefully we can make something similar for my channel.
So guys, I will repeat the same procedure that I did in designing the logo for the first two clients.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. I'm not above, let me be myself.
Okay guys, I will completed 3 orders. This is the first $25 order. So guys, this client accepted delivery but did not give any reviews. And this is the second $20 order. This client has also accepted delivery and it has given us very good review and 5-star rating. And interestingly, it gave us a $15 tip. So now this order is $35. So guys, this is the third $10 order. This client accepted delivery but did not give any reviews. So guys, if you enjoy this video and you feel it was valuable, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends. Thank you again for watching.
I'm a